favor, subscribe to our channel. We love you. We love you. Keep watching.
This is not meant to be. It's so unnatural. She's so pretty and so mean. She's right in her own eyes. Everyone else is so wrong. That's why I can beat my chest and say something is wrong with her. Maybe she's lost her mind. She's so beautiful, but she's a beast. Something is wrong with her. Maybe she's lost her mind. She's so beautiful, but she's a beast. This is not meant to be. It's so unnatural. She's so pretty and so mean. She's right in her own eyes. Everyone else is so wrong. That's why I can beat my chest and say something is wrong with her. Maybe she's lost her mind. She's so beautiful, but she's a beast. Thank you for joining us on our program today. On our relationship tips today, I will be discussing something that you really need in your relationship. You really need them, and you must consider them. No matter how the relationship is now, you must consider this step. So number one on our list today, on my list, the list I have here, learn how to say I'm sorry. This one is very difficult, but when they gave it to me to discuss, I was like I'm sorry. Very short, a very short statement, but it is very difficult for a man to tell his girl that he is sorry. Likewise, the ladies, it's very difficult for them to say I am sorry. This step is very basic. That I am sorry. Some of them, they will manage to say I am sorry because due to the pressure and the advice they are getting outside. Just tell her I'm sorry now. Maybe you say you don't come up for that one neck. But sincerely from your heart, it's not coming. It's not true. The next one you are going to do must be worse than that, the one you do previously. So my dear, for your relationship to strive, you must always say I am sorry. Even when you are wrong, you will say I am sorry. Consider this step and see what will go on or what will happen in your relationship. Some people will be saying, what was this step? I don't really like it. This one doesn't mean. It means this one counts a lot. It is very difficult for many young girls and many young boys that are in a relationship today to say, I am sorry. Sincerely speaking, it's very difficult. Even me that is saying it, it's very difficult. But you have to do it for the sake of your relationship. You have to do it. So number two, knowing what you want. This one is very important. As a woman, as a man, there is what you want in your relationship. There must be what you want in your relationship. Like me, I know my words. I know my wants. if I want a girl now, maybe for example, you are like this girl, you like this girl, you like everything about the girl, but it remaining one thing, and that one thing you cannot do it without that one thing. If you still continue in that relationship, or maybe you have not even talked to the girl, you just say you want to start a relationship with that girl, that relationship you cannot bring out any good in that relationship, because your want is not met with. It's not met with. So many people will be saying, I didn't understand this one, but I want you to look at it for this angle. As a man, there is something you require in a woman, and of which you are not seeing it in that woman. So they don't say because she's too beautiful, or because she's hardworking, or because she is intelligent, let me just use that one qualification and qualify and just manage, and let me just manage and start something with her. It didn't met with your mind knows it, so you cannot get something tangible in that relationship. My brother, this step, my sister, this step is very important. Some girls will just tell you, look at what I want, look at what I want my man to do, look at what I want my man to get to, or what I want my boy to get to, before I can date any boy, I can date any girl. It's very important. If everything you want in a man, in a woman, is met with, you can go on. But if it is not met with, it remaining only one, don't go. Because maybe you say it will change after the relationship. Maybe in the course of the relationship, she will change. She will adjusting. You are wasting your time. Nothing good is going to come out from it. Knowing what you want and is met with is very good in a relationship. I know that all relationship is not perfect, but you really have to know what you want, then you go for it. It's very important. Number 3, stop dissatisfying yourself to please others. Maybe, for example, you love the woman so much that you cannot do without this girl. You are ready to sleep hungry to make sure that everything that the girl wants. I want to make my hair, I want to do this one, I want to do that. You make sure you give it to her, and you yourself, you have nothing. That is not a relationship. She is killing you. She is killing you, and you will die one day. She will run after another person. That is life for you. Don't dissatisfy yourself to satisfy others. This is life for you. There is no part 1, no part 2 in a relationship. The one you are experiencing right now at that moment is relationship. So my dear, consider this step. Don't dissatisfy yourself to please your partner in a relationship. It's very important. Number 4, the last, before we wrap up this program, management. Some women, some men that are in a relationship, they don't know how to manage in a relationship. If you are that type of woman, you don't manage anything that come your way, you are bound to cry. You are bound to cry. Management. You manage everything that are going on in that relationship. You manage it properly. It's very important. So many women are callous. So many men are callous when it comes to this step. There's some people use something extravagantly, while some they do it gently. Such are lives. So manage everything that come to your way in your relationship. relationship is something that you cannot overlook, because one day you must get married. If you are a single man, you are a single lady, one day you must get married. You must pass through this relationship we are talking about. So my dear, learn to manage. Management is good in a relationship. When you can manage anything that come your way, if you get married, you will be able to manage. Yes, you'll be able to manage. You'll be able to manage, my brother. You'll be able to manage, my sister. Thank you for always being supportive. We appreciate you. We recognize your presence ever. Join us again on our relationship tips next week. You are most welcome. Thank you.